Monday, and I just got off work, and Bree just got out of school. We're here picking up Ariana at the middle school, and I have such a busy day today. Like, I have to go home. I got to do my Monday chore, which is clean the downstairs bathroom. I need to do my workout. It's like 20 minutes. Hey, sweetie. And then I'm gonna good thing I prepped food for yesterday, so all I gotta do is put it in the oven. And then we have tumbling today for both of them, both double classes. So, and then I have a lot of things that I have to get done in the house, so it's like a busy day. So yeah, so this is a busy Monday. We'll go home, change my clothes, go straight into what I need to do, and don't sit down, because if I sit down, I know I won't do nothing. So I just got home, and I quickly put on my workout clothes so that I can be motivated to get my nightly chore done, and also to do my workout. Because I know me, when I come home from work, if I sit down, I won't do nothing the rest of the night, and I won't be motivated. So to trick myself, as soon as I get home, I take off my work clothes, put on my workout clothes, so that I can get my daily nightly chore done first, and then my workout. So Monday through Thursday, I always have one chore that I pick for this downstairs. I always like to have my downstairs clean. So Monday through Thursday, I have a section of the downstairs area to get done that takes me about 10 to 15 minutes, so that I'm not cleaning a lot of things on Saturday. So tonight's Monday chore is the downstairs bathroom, which takes me about 10 to 15 minutes, because you know the downstairs bathroom is not a lot. And then after that, I'm going to do my T25 workout and take a shower, and then take the girls to gymnastics. Luckily, Brianna didn't have homework today. Ariana does, so she's doing homework while I am working out doing my chores. So most of the time, they will go do homework, and if it's something that they need help from me, they basically do everything they can by themselves, and then if they need help from me, then I'll answer and help them after my workout. But while I'm doing my nightly chore and I'm working out, I have a meatloaf in the oven cooking away for dinner tonight. It's the meatloaf that I share with you guys in my freezer cooking meal. I will put a card up here if you haven't seen that, when I was prepping meals for the month for freezer meals. And so it made it so easy tonight. I don't have to go in the kitchen at all. All I had to do was I pulled it out this morning. It's been defrosting all day on the counter, and now it's going in the oven, and it's going to cook in the oven while I do my nightly chore and while I work out. So simple, making freezer meals ahead of time, or even prepping meals ahead of time like I do on Sunday nights, which you should see that routine as well, my Sunday night routine. Prepping the meals ahead of time saves me so much time during the week. So again, while I'm working out and while I'm doing my chore, the meal is cooking away. I don't have to be in the kitchen. So I'm about to get to that. And yeah, let me just get to doing my daily chores. So I'm all done with the bathroom. This bathroom really only took about 10 minutes to do. Hey. It only took about 10 minutes to clean up, but it's all cleaned up. I really have to decorate this bathroom. I started with this mat. I really like it. So I think I'm going to play off the colors from this and decorate this bathroom. But this is one of my summer projects, is to decorate this bathroom. So, but I cleaned it. It took me, like I said, 10 minutes to do. And it's all done. So this is how I trick myself into actually getting my workouts done. I tend to get bored watching, workout videos and do the same thing over and over again. So what I do to motivate me to do my workouts is that I will put my workouts on a small TV, and hook it up to the DVD player. And then on the big TV, I'll put on one of my favorite shows, like DVR one of my favorite shows, and then I'll actually watch one of my favorite shows on here, and it motivates me to get my workout done because I'm watching something I'm interested in, but I'm still working out. So this is my little trick on how I motivate myself to get my workouts done. So yeah, so today I'm doing the T25 cardio. So yep, let me just press play and get this thing done. So I just finished my workout, and I look a hot mess right now. Did I do it the same way that people did in the video? No. Did I do it as I used to be able to do it? No. But I did it. And that's motivation for you guys to work out or do any workout, even if you don't feel good. I'm getting over being sick, and as I was doing the workout, I still felt congested in my face. So it was kind of hard to breathe a little bit, but I didn't keep up the pace like I usually have before. And I wasn't able to do as many reps. But you know what? I did it, and I didn't stop moving. That's the whole point. I kept moving regardless if I went from the regular moves to the modified version, because they have in this video, they have where you could do a modified version of every move. So when I felt like I wasn't up to doing the whole movement, then I just did the modified version, and I still stuck to it. So this is motivation for you guys, that even if you don't feel like, oh God, I look horrible. Even if you don't feel like working out, at least just if you have those videos, press play. Find an app on your phone. Find something. You can find so many workout videos on your phone. Just put it on and just at least keep moving. And no matter if you don't do it perfectly, at least you did it. And I'm proud that I did it. So yes. So I'm going to take a quick shower because we have to get going. Good thing that the gymnastics place is just down the street. So I'm about to take a quick shower so I can get the girls to tumbling on time. So we just got back from gymnastics, and everybody else is having the meatloaf that I made, but I'm making me an omelet. And I was having a conversation with my oldest because now she's in middle school this year. You see how they're fighting. And I was telling her how she is not pleasant in the morning. Look at that. Let's focus over here. Let's focus over here because I don't know what's going on back there. But I was just telling her how she's not pleasant in the morning and how she is moody. And I don't know if that's like you better cut it out. I don't know if that's like a middle school thing, but let go. Hey, that's not even cool. I'm not playing. Sorry, the parent. I don't know if it's a middle school thing, but she is so moody in the morning. And the thing is, she gets more hours of sleep than anybody else.
Do not.
Isn't Ari moody in the morning?
Very. I am wonderful.
No, you are not.
Do you not see this evil pink panther?
I'm not a panther!
Put that down.
Yeah.
Anyways,
put it down.
So does anybody have because I'm not gonna say that she's disrespectful because she knows better, and I know there's a lot of disrespectful kids. No, not my kids. They know better. I'm a Puerto Rican mom. They know better, but she is moody as can be, and I'm like, and maybe it's that time.
Mommy,
I don't know, but she is so moody, but she thinks that she's an angel in the morning.
Mommy, I don't
lies on this channel. Lies.
It's not lies. But anyways, I'm making me an omelet because I like to eat protein after I work out. So I'm making me an egg white omelet with spinach and mushrooms. And then everybody else is having meatloaf. So yeah. You want to show your back bend?
Yeah,
she wants to show her back bend.
I know I'm like 12 years.
Okay, so you better do it right because I'm videoing your back bend. Hold on.
I know, and I know I'm 12 and I should have already got this a long
Well, you're in beginner, so it doesn't matter. At least you're trying. Go. This is her second day of tumbling, and she learned how to do that. Now try to do the flip.
Well, the couch is in the way, so I can't.
Just try.
Can I show
So yes. So Brianna's done tumbling a little bit longer than Ari, and she does it at home all the time upstairs with the mattress. So yeah, perfect.
Show off.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.